What's up guys, Tao here. Welcome to my very first episode of Back to Basics. These very short videos will focus on one or two features or tips, how to use them. And so they won't be a long video. Hopefully you guys will get benefit out of them. So let's get it started. In today's video, we will be talking about how to use Amazon Echoes as a Bluetooth speaker. Now this will apply to all the Amazon Echo devices, speaker devices. And also, before you can go ahead to use them as a Bluetooth speaker, first thing first, you will need to configure the Echoes within your Amazon account, which is within the Alexa app. And then you can use them as a Bluetooth speaker. So you can see here, I have a computer desk Echo, which is this Echo set up already. Now, in order for me to use this as a Bluetooth speaker, I'll be using the iPad and then connect to this Echo as a Bluetooth speaker. Now, to turn on Bluetooth on Echo devices, simply say, Alexa, turn on Bluetooth. And then you go to Bluetooth. Okay, that is my computer workstation. Now you can see here the Echo 266 is detected. The light is off, so that means Bluetooth is off now. So I'm gonna do it again. Alexa, turn on Bluetooth.
Searching. You're already connected
now
to workstation.
Connect to Echo 266.
Go to the Alexa app.
Now it says not connected. Now we just tap on it again.
Connected to iPad.
Now it's connected to it, and then I can play anything I like from the iPad. And for example, let me play something on my channel. Okay, this is the video. So here, right now it's playing the video and audio come out from the Echo. Okay, now this is the very first generation of Echo, and it will work with all the Echo speakers. So that applies to all of them. That was how you use Echo as a Bluetooth speaker. Now this also applies to the same method if you want to connect to a computer, a smartphone, or any Bluetooth audio device, which you want to use Echo as a speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys learn this particular feature which you might not know about it before. Honestly, I always use the app, connect to the Bluetooth, to other things. Now, this actually is a lot easier way. You don't need to go through the app. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy, please share the video with others, and hopefully others will take advantage of this. See you in the next video.